Hi guys, today we're going to be cleaning these oven grates. As you may know, they are very tricky to clean with so much grease stuck on, and I'm going to show you an easier way to clean them. So we are going to start by cutting open a bin liner. So just cut one very long side and the short side. So we're going to spray our grates with some flash, which is really good for getting rid of grease. So we're going to do them one by one. Once we've sprayed all of the grates, we're going to tape our bag back together. You don't have to use duct tape, it can be any good tape. Just make sure you tape all the edges so that the solution doesn't leak out, and also we don't want the fumes from the solution taking over the room as well. We're going to leave this to sit for 10 to 12 hours. So it's been 12 hours and we're just going to cut the bag open. As you can see, there's a lot of grease inside the bag. So using our scourer dipped in the hot water and vinegar solution, you'll notice that the grease will come off really easily off of the grates. So you want to do this for all of the grates, and literally it should take about 10 minutes and you'll have nice and clean grates.